our second example is going to look a little different. We're going to put it on the y-axis, given, y'all, I can't even with my pen. I say that all the time, don't I? I know. Maybe it's me. Okay, so let's put y-axis, x in meters, y in meters, okay, again I'm going to shade this in because we're looking at an area, not a line. Alright, this line is represented by xy squared is equal to 16. Okay, and it crosses here at 4, crosses down here at 2, and this is also at 4, and this is at 1 meter. I know, how many of y'all just cringe when you're seeing me draw things out of scale? Okay, this time my area is completely touching the y-axis. So I'm thinking I'm going to do my rectangle this way instead of vertically like we did with the last one. So now my width is dy, okay, and my height is x. Alright, which means that my centroid here is going to be at y squiggly line. Okay, so which is going to be what? Equal to y and equal to x divided by 2, right? Because x is the long dimension in this case. Oh, by the way, I guess I should write out my find statement. Let's be complete. Find coordinates to the centroid. All right. So this time our area is going to be the integral of x. Oh, I need x. So x is going to equal to 16 divided by y squared, right? 16 divided by y squared dy. Swing and a miss. Dy, okay? Base times height, because it's a rectangle. Base is x, height is dy, so we're finding it dy. And we're going from 2 to 4 meters, because that's where our boundaries are in the y direction. Okay? So this is going to equal to, some of y'all prefer 2 to 4 of 16 y minus 2 dy. Does that help? So we're going to add 1 to that. So that is going to be 16y minus 1 divided by negative 1 from 2 to 4 meters. Okay? And if you're worried about that, don't worry, do the math and you're going to find that my area is 4 meters squared. Okay, next up, ax bar. So that's going to be the integral of x, which is x divided by 2, times 16y to the negative 2 dy. Holy cats. Which is going to equal 16y negative 2 divided by 2. Oh, integral from 2 to 4, 2 to 4, times 16y negative 2 dy, which will give us negative 128 divided by 3y to the negative 3 of 2 to 4 meters, which is 4.67 meters cubed. Meaning x bar is equal to a x bar divided by a, which will be 4.67 meters cubed divided by 4 meters squared, and that'll give us a distance of 1.17 meters in the x direction. Y direction will be a y bar 2 to 4, so that's going to be y times 16y to the minus 2 dy. Alright, this is going to give us 2 to 4 of 16y to the minus 1 dy. Okay, y'all remember that from calculus or whenever it was that we learned it? That will be 16 natural log of y from 2 to 4 meters. That's an ln, natural log, which is equal to 11.1 meters cubed. So my y bar is equal to a y bar divided by a, which will be 11.1 meters cubed divided by 4 meters squared, which will equal 2.77 meters. So the answer for my centroid, centroid at at 1.17, 2.77 meters. Box in the answer.